It would seem.
Oh
Or
my god.
did he just get...
I just don't like this game. I'm gonna play one more.
Okay.
I play one more. One more.
Okay.
LG,
Well,
LG.
I mean, LG, if it gets you to Masters, right? So what, you need like 500 points, so it's gonna be a bang, right? Okay, so like a couple more games, right?
339. We can get
Okay,
that
so
in one
you
game.
got no, you
That's
need 2 more
doable.
games.
No. One more game. One more game.
But I must stay strong.
One more game, no matter what.
I don't know. You can keep me tabbed. Like you can leave the stream open and you still get points. Why are you spelling Joseph like that, Zed? Hi Mia. Good morning. It's Joseph with a PH. Joseph. Zed is spelling your name with an F. And I told him, who the hell spells Joseph with an F? That's like spelling Sean with a W.
Right, or with an H,
Yeah.
right? In general, at all. Right?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So true.
Throw the PH in there.
We could have lived if there was not just another fucking team just... And like I saw her out of the corner of my eye and she was being an NPC just staring at me and I was like, okay, maybe she's not gonna shoot me. And I was like, let me just stick them.
Maybe she'll let us go.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, I think she will.
Hi, Imperial Sal.
His
Yeah,
long
thank you for
lost
the
cousin.
follow.
As long as it's not Imperial Halal.
Hi Luke, come on in.
Heading out that way.
That's a GG go next.
You
So we see
mean
him.
Imperial Halala?
I love this part.
Yeah, that guy's nuts. That guy's better than the real Imperial Hal.
One team, maybe another late.
It's a Watson, a Loba, and a Caustic. Oh my god, we can wipe them.
Oh, we wiped them too.
Oh yeah, it's her. Wipe them.
Oh, he got a Havoc.
I can't find the guns. So good luck.
I got left out dry out
I
here.
don't know. They're on my door and I have no bullets.
Going to face.
I'm backing up, Sin. I have no bullets.
I thought we were...
Oh, I'm just gonna get aped. Oh my god, I'm just dead. GG.
I have no ammo.
Oh,
I have
you
nothing.
shit on him if you had him.
I had no ammo.
I
I'll
thought
play
we
just one
were
more.
on the